Hey, welcome to the channel. So glad you joined us today. If you like leisure travel vans, gear, gadget, and everything in between, then this is the channel for you. And I'm sitting in my office, even though this is a video about our recent trip to Colorado in the leisure travel van. Okay, I lost some of the footage, so you're gonna have to bear with me as we get through this part of it, but stick through the video because we have some beautiful, beautiful video footage, fly fishing, Aspens turning, the RV park that we stayed in. We're gonna give a little tour of that. All kinds of fun stuff, and we spent 12 nights in the leisure travel van, the longest we've ever spent in the leisure travel van. That's been mostly, weekends and 4 or 5 day trips, but this was 12 nights and we did not want to come home. Anyway, so again, thanks for joining us. Now let's get into the footage as I try to put together a little bit of a storyboard here and show you exactly what it's like to go to Creede, Colorado in September when the Aspens are turning.
All of it.
We're here at Clear Creek Falls. Hard to say, actually try to say that fast. It's about 30 minutes outside of Creede. It is really beautiful. The falls are absolutely amazing, as you can see, and the fall colors, the aspens turning. This is an absolute must destination if you're going to come to Colorado in September. It's late September right now, about the 23rd, and the trees are beautiful, and it's only going to get better. But definitely come up here to Clear Creek Falls. What'd you think of the falls?
Beautiful. Can't believe I've never been here. It's
Well,
awesome.
you've never been here.
You've never brought me here.
Have now. Can't say that anymore.
Yep, worth seeing.
We are about to have a picnic. Let's go check out and see what we got.
Eggs,
Okay.
veggies, and a packed lunch for you here. Oh, sure.
What an awesome picnic.
No kidding. You ready to sing Lake Cristobal?
Sure. This is cool.
But the other one is
fly fishing. Got a guided tour. Highly recommend your shop in Creede. Absolutely having a blast. Already caught one. It can be a little difficult to learn the casting and everything, but it's actually working out pretty good. This RV resort is absolutely amazing. Tons and tons of amenities. A lot of thoughtful statues. What do you like about it, Janet?
Great laundromat. The view is amazing. The mountains all the way around you.
The only thing is it's very rural centric. 5 miles an hour, and they watch and they yell at you if you go 6 miles an hour.
Quiet, very quiet.
But it does make it quiet. It's all gravel, so the definitely the dust doesn't fly around with the cars going slow and all the RVs going by and everything. But as far as the views, you cannot beat it at all. This place is amazing. And it's huge. It's massive. Half of it is for just an RV resort that you can come in and daily, weekly, monthly, or like what we're walking through now. These are all individually owned, and they're pretty amazing. Some have cabins. Some are just have just the spot. Some just have pergolas.
Little canopies everywhere.
Yeah, and the view is unbelievable. The downside about owning here is that it's only open 7 months out of the year. 5 months they are closed. In fact, I drove by here in March of this year, and it's roped off, just totally snowed in, not one coach in sight. So that's the only negative about buying here, is because it's expensive. You can't use it year round. But absolutely a beautiful place. You know, so it is very rural centric. In fact, for dogs, they have these beautiful grassy areas that no dogs are allowed on. They say walk your dogs around the perimeter. Then they have the dog park, which is a very nice dog park as well. I actually like it because it's actually chain link with no holes. A lot of times you go to an RV park, they have a dog park with like hog wire, and it's like lifted up where the dogs could actually possibly get out. Also, no awnings. You can't have your awnings out here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna stop here at my cousin's campsite here that we're camping down the road from us. Borrow some propane. I forgot the quick connect for Blackstone, so I'm gonna have to use this to cook our chicken on. But you know, even with all the rules and everything, I guess that's great. They just don't want the grassy areas to be just full of dog stuff, you know? So I guess that's a good thing. But anyway, beautiful park, highly recommend it. So I forgot my quick connect for the, so I can plug my Blackstone into the Leisure Travel Vans propane system, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Fortunately, my cousin is, she's down the way there, and they had some extra little propane canisters, so we're actually able to use our propane. But hey, cooking chicken on your Blackstone behind your Leisure Travel Van, there is pretty amazing.
I need your attention right here for a minute. Would you use this more than this?
Sure, I don't care. That's fine.
Because after I saw that one, I thought, well, you can use this for eggs.